Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, let's make a delicious and hearty English breakfast. So let's get started. My husband is making breakfast for the family. First, heat a pan and drizzle some oil. Once it's nice and hot, crack an egg into the pan. Next, add a slice of chicken salami and a chicken sausage to the pan. Sprinkle some salt as per taste. Let everything cook thoroughly until it's golden and perfect. Now, for that extra burst of flavor, sprinkle some pepper powder, chili flakes, and a pinch of oregano. And there you have it, your yummy and tasty English breakfast is ready. Serve it hot with some bread and butter. Enjoy every bite. Breakfast made easy and delicious. Please check the ingredients and method of cooking in the description box. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.